So everyone had chilies, right? Well, not like this. This is guajillo chili. I'm just gonna hydrate them because when I got them, they're dehydrated. And what we want with water is just to get them a little plummy. It's gonna be the basis for our Mexican chili. Now, just a couple seconds, I want you to take a look at this. Just very quickly, as soon as I hydrate them, they become more malleable, you see? This is gonna be chile con carne y papas. Now this, my friends, is beef chuck. Now, this piece of meat tends to be very tough, but for that, I'm gonna braise it. Now that my meat is all done, I'm gonna start my sauce. Now remember, for this dish, we want guajillo, garlic, onions, and tomato. So I'm not chopping the chilies, we're gonna add them whole, as well as I'm gonna be using the liquid that I was hydrating the chilies on. This is gonna help us smoothing the sauce. Man, can you smell that? Somewhere in a house in Mexico, I'm sure someone is cooking this right now. Now this is ready. Look at the color, how much it changed. Now it's all red. It's almost like a ruby color. Now it just needs a good blitz. I wanted the sauce to be very smooth because this is gonna help me braising my meat. The aroma, wow. I like to sear my meat so the juices get trapped in it. You have to have a very, very hot pan. Look at the smoke coming out of it. Because if you don't do that, the meat won't sear and all the juices are gonna come off. Now, the other trick is not to overload the pan, okay? So we're gonna wait a little bit for all the first bunch of meat to get all seared, and then we're gonna add the rest. Go ahead and take a look at this, because this is what searing does. All the juices on the meat are right there. Look at that. Now down with the vegetables. Now for these, because there's so much flavor in the pan, I'm gonna add the potatoes and the onions, the garlic and the tomatoes that I chopped earlier into it. Look at this. So basically what's gonna end up happening is, as I'm cooking the chili, the potatoes are gonna release the starch and it's gonna make it a little thick. And last but not least, the sauce. And I'm telling you, this is gonna be unbelievably good. Happy cooking. Oh my God, can you smell these? Wow. Look at the potatoes. Look at the potatoes just breaking down, and look how thick the chili got. This, my friends, is Mexican chili. Now, just to finish, a little bit of sour cream and cilantro, which I love. Wow, this dish is so simple, yet so tasty. This is a perfect dish for a Sunday night. The texture of the meat is so tender. It's like a symphony of flavors in my plate. Look at this. It just makes you want to keep eating this. Beer, stew, the best. Salud.